Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to restore default settings for Floating Smart Sidebar in Realme 14x phone. First of all, we need to go to our phone settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility and convenience options menu. Then we're looking for the Smart Sidebar option here, and we need to scroll down to Floating Bar. And here at the very bottom we have restore defaults, so we can tap it once, restore defaults, yes please, restore, and now our sidebar has been restored to its original default settings. Of course we can mess with these settings however we want, and we can restore them back how they were originally. And that's all. Goodbye.